Unfortunately, there's another real threat in cyberspace: cyber predators. Cyber predators are people who seek others online to take advantage of. Cyber predators might try the following things to take advantage of others: ask inappropriate questions, send offensive or obscene content, ask you to send intimate pictures, or do things online that make you feel uncomfortable, reach out to you on social media sites, in chat rooms, or in blogs, request that you meet in person, ask you to reveal secrets about yourself, or ask you to share passwords or other personal information. The best way to protect yourself is not to talk to strangers. If someone makes you feel uncomfortable, leave the site, block the person from your profile, change your profile settings to private, keep any messages for evidence, and notify an adult. An adult can help you decide if you need to report the incident to your internet or phone service provider or to the police. Another way you can protect yourself is by keeping your personal information private. Never give your full name, phone number, address, city, or name of your school to anyone you don't know. Hello, that means you also shouldn't post pictures that give the information away. Cyber predators look for emotionally vulnerable and careless kids. Share your emotions with your friends privately or in your personal journal instead of online. Take care and be smart about the information you post online.